Let's continue the sum of the verbal questions of arithmetic progression for class 10. In this question, you have to find the number of integers in between the given range. The question is, find the number of integers between 50 and 500 divisible by 7. Okay. So I want the multiples in between 50 and 500. So what are the first multiple in between 50 and 500? We know the 7th, 8th multiple, that is 56 is the first multiple. That is the first term in the AP. What is the last multiple? We have the range. Divide 500 by 3. Divide 500 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 1, 0. 7 ones are 7. 3 remainder. So when I subtract 3 from 500, I get the last term in the AP. So I got the first term 56 and the last term of AP. So I write here, so we write this also in the rough column in the examination. So AP is equal to 56, 7 9s is 63, 70 and so on. The last term is 497. Okay. Actually you have to find how many terms means what is the, which term is 497. So from this AP we can define what is A for 56, and D is the common difference since they are the multiples of 7, we not subtract, D is equal to 7, and term N is equal to 497. We have to find the value of N. Okay. Therefore, what is the general term of an AP? We know that is A plus N minus 1D, which is already known by 497. So A for 56 plus N minus 1 D is 7, known by 497. Okay. So I subtract this 56 first. So 7 times of N, 7N. 7 times of minus 1, minus 7 is equal to 497 minus 56. So 7N plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 7 minus 6, 1, 9 minus 5, 4 and 4, 441. So 7N is equal to 441 plus 7, 7N is equal to 448, then N is equal to 448 by 7, which gives 7674. Therefore, N is equal to 64. So what we can infer finally, there are 64 terms in between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. Okay. Therefore, there are 64 integers in between 50 and 500 divisible by 7. So in the board examination, their first statement is very, very particular. You don't end up the answer by saying N is equal to 64 because it is not question. The question is not about the N. They said how many integers lie in between. You have to answer to the question in full description. So that due to some reasons they may cut half mark. Okay, instead of losing half mark, answer to the question in full description. See, this question is very simple. Already we solved this type of question earlier. but the question pattern is different, solution is same. Instead of giving the AP, they give the condition here. So based on the condition, we define the AP, and we know this is the nth term, we found n, and we answer according to the question at the end. This is more important. Getting answer is not the main issue in the examination of board. How you answer, how you end up the answer, that is very, very important. Very important. Clear? One more question. In this question, see the question, if nth term of 9, 7, 5 is same as another AP which is in pattern 15, 12, 9, find n. Okay. Here we have two APs. First AP is 975 and AP2 is equal to 15, 12, 9. The question is, in both the series, the nth term is same. What is the nth value? First, let me define what is the nth term in the AP1. Arithmetic progression 1 is 9, 7, 5 and so on. From this I can define A is 9 and D is the common difference of two consecutive, that is 7 minus 9, that is minus 2. Now nth term of AP1 is A plus n minus 1 D, that is A for 9 plus n minus 1 D is equal to minus 2. Let me compute. 9 minus 2 of n, minus 2n, minus 2 of minus 1 is plus 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 2n is the nth term of AP1. Now AP2. AP2. What is AP2? 15, 12, 9. From this we can define A for 15 and D is the common difference between the two consecutive, that is 12 and 15, which gives minus 3. Okay. Now nth term in the AP2. So A and 2 is A plus n minus 1 D. What is A in the second series? 15. 15 plus n minus 1 D is minus 3. That is 15 minus 3 of n minus 3n, minus 3 of minus 1 plus 3. So 15 plus 3 is 18 minus 3n. So this is the nth term of the second series. By question it said these two are equal. If I equate these two, I get the n value. Let me complete the work here. So nth term of AP1, that is A and 1 is equal to A and 2. What is the A and 1? 11 minus 2n. So 11 minus 2n is equal to 18 minus 3n. 18 minus 3n. Transpose. So minus 2n plus 3n is equal to 18 minus 11. So plus 3n minus 2n is n is equal to 18 minus 11 is 7. So 7th term is same in both the APs. That's right. Therefore 7th term is same in both APs. Okay. See, we found very simple. First we found the nth term of AP1, nth term of AP2. Since they are same, we equated those two, we found the n value. So there is one more question important. Let's see now. find the eighth term from the end of AP, which is 7, 10, 13, 184. Okay. From this AP we know clearly the nth term is 184. Let me solve this. You are given the AP 7, 10, 13 and whose nth term is 184. From this we can define A, that is 7, and D is 10 minus 7, that is 3, and nth term, which is A plus n minus 1D, is given as 184. So we can find the nth value, whose term is 184. So if you know the n value, we can calculate the 8th term from the end. Let me calculate this. A for 7 plus n minus 1 d value is 3, which is 184. So 7 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 184. 7 minus 3 is 4 plus 3n is equal to 184. 3n is equal to 184 minus 4. So 3n is equal to 180, where n is equal to 60. Okay. So nth term is 184. So nth term is 184 and term 60 is 184. Therefore n is equal to 60. Now the 8th term from the end. Therefore 8th term from end is equal to 60 minus 8 plus 1, that is 60, that is 52 plus 1, that is 53rd term. Therefore term 53 is equal to A plus 52D. So A for 7 plus 52 of D is equal to 3. That is equal to 7 plus 156, that is equal to 163 is the 8th term from the end. So you may often confuse why I am subtracting and add 1 here. Okay. I give clarification here. Suppose n is equal to 50, or I take some small number to make you understand clearly. If n is equal to 10 observations, I want the 5th term from end. 5th from end. It's not 10 minus 5 just. So let's write the numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 5th term from the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the 5th term. And it is 6th term from the beginning. So if I subtract 5 from the n, I get the 6th term. 5th term. But I want the 6th term, so I have to add 1. So the result is 5 plus 1, that is 6th term. Clear? If n is 70, what is 15th term from the end? 15th from end, that is 70 minus 15 plus 1, that is 55 plus 1, that is 56th term. Here students often do mistake. If there are 100 terms, they demand 10th term from the end, they subtract 10 from 100, 90th term. No, 91st term is the 10th term from the end. So be careful in calculating the required term from the end